Welcome to Login Aid. In this video, I'm going to guide you on how to change app icon size on iPhone. It is a very simple step. Now firstly open your settings. Now here if you scroll down a bit, there you will see the option display and brightness. You need to tap over there. Now you will be led to this kind of interface, and at the bottom you can see the option display zoom. You need to tap over there. Remember that this is the only option in iPhone to make your app icon size bigger or smaller. Now, currently it's on default mode, but if you want to make it a bit larger, then you need to tap on the option larger text. After that, all you need to do is tap on done. Again, this kind of box will pop up. All you need to do is tap on use zoomed. Now if you go back and check, then you can see that the app icon size will be a bit bigger than the usual. Not only that, but the keyboard size will also appear a lot bigger than the usual. Now if you want to go and change it back to the normal, then you need to go on settings, and there you can see the option default. You need to tap over there and simply tap on done. This kind of box will pop up. Tap on use standard. Now if you go and check, app size will be looking normal again. This is the only way to change app icon size on iPhone. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe our channel Login Aid. Thank you.